In this episode, we will analyze all the variants of the product, the Quake Slick model. We will see which are the difference in the hardware and in the software. So starting from the hardware point of view, we have two variants. The first one is the desktop variant. It means that can be used only on the desktop because it is power on the cord. As you can see, there is a power cord on the right side because the unit does not have any battery and does not have also the module, the GPS module. So it is named desktop version of the Quake Slick model. The second hardware possibility is that one is designed for the mobility. In fact, there is a 4000 milliamps LiPo battery built in and a GPS module. So this is named the field version of the Slick model. So regarding that, we can say additionally that physical dimensions and the weight is slightly different because of this version. We can compare, you can see immediately the difference. So we have a thickness of 15 millimeters for the desktop version and 24 millimeters for the mobility version, for the field version. And the weight consequently is 90 grams for the first model and 180 grams for the second model. So they are quite little different, but indeed very similar in the behavior and in the software. So regarding the software, we can say that the software is really the same. The display shows the same information, the same kind of information. The configuration menu is really the same. So again, we can see the configuration menu, the reset of the configuration button. Regarding the GPS, okay, in the desktop version, there is no GPS. Shall I invoke the menu? I will obtain a communication that the GPS is not installed. But apart from this, they behave really in the same way. So the user experience is the same. Another aspect that can create a variant is the database, the service provider that we are invoking. So as you can see here, in the first model, we are invoking EMSC data provider. So this is a European service data provider, while on the other model, in this moment, we are invoking INGV. INGV stands for Italian data provider. The scope of having two different data providers is that they are focused on different areas. So while EMSC is focused worldwide and in Mediterranean region, the other one, the INGV, is focused in Italy area. In this way, we obtain a total of 4 combinations of the Slick model, because one choice can be made on the hardware type if we choose the desktop version or the mobility version, the field version. And both of them we can load either the INGV database or EMSC database. So total the combination of the variants is 4. Okay, that's it for the moment. I put on the final a summary table so you can compare by a snapshot what we have seen just till now.